Hey everybody, welcome back to Cruising for Mana MTG. Decided to take a little break today, come to the beach. Probably open some cards later though. This guy's going in the water on a hydrofoil, it looks like. Let's see what he does. Not the warmest here in Florida today. It's about 69 degrees, 68, 69 degrees, but that water's gotta be 60, 65, the wife says. Got our jackets on. Well, I don't. I got a sweatshirt. Cyan over there digging for shells in the bank. See what he does here. And yes, if anyone wants to know, there are sharks out there. Lots of sharks. But they're more scared of us than we are of them. He's flipping. He's a flipping. There we go. He's up. Guys, brave. It's cold out there, even with a wetsuit on. It's chilly. We do not have our swimsuits. We are not swimming in the beach today. Crazy. Well, just thought I'd show everybody the beach. It's beautiful out here today. And tune in later if you want to see some more card openings. Again, we started our Patreon page. The link is in the description below. We're having a Final Fantasy Collector Booster 12 slot sale. We'll open them live on camera. Mail you your pulls. Best chance of getting them. They're $120 a piece. And they also, every shipment comes with a bonus 5-card slot of vintage Magic cards, pre-19 or pre-2000. So check into that. Go to the Patreon page. And we'll catch you guys later. Have a beautiful day.